won world record with 2 minutes 7 seconds and Indian record with 2 minutes 54 seconds. And she has achieved that, and now we are taking this footage to achieve Guinness Book of Records. She is actually very much excellent in problem solving and aptitudes that she started solving it at a very young age. So her mother actually understood that she is very good in analytics, and we thought of nurturing it more, and we got her into the training sessions for her, and she started learning these cubes, and her teacher trainer understood that she is very good in solving it very faster.